it's Jules once again from The Style Hobbyist. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'm back. I'm here in my latest project here in Trump Tower, Makati. It's a one-bedroom unit, but it's 120 square meters. So you can just imagine how big the unit is. And as you can see, just behind me, gold everywhere. So you have an idea what the color scheme is. And I'm so excited to show you what I've done for this unit. So just a little bit of background. I'm sorry if I haven't gotten back to some of you who inquired for their condo units because I've been busy with this one, my corporate job, and recently I got engaged. So I've been working on the wedding preparations. Of course, this condo I had to finish, and then a lot of work in the office as well. So, but let me just show you the ring. There, it's so pretty. Anyway, so I've been on cloud 9 and I haven't really focused so much. I've been, I guess, confused with my schedule because it's also December already, and sobrang daming nangyayari for the Christmas season as well. So, but anyway, back to this project. I'm so excited to show you. So the color scheme is mixed metals, so gold and chrome or silver, and then we have grays and dark wood, black and white. So it's very neutral, but I also injected some colors here and there. And what's good about this project is my client is so nice. He gave me creative freedom as long as I follow the budget, which by the way is the biggest budget I've handled so far. So he trusted me with my taste and the direction I wanted to go to, as long as I follow his hotel feel brief for me, and of course the budget, because he's a male client and usually men are just very much concerned about the budget. So here it is. I'm gonna show you one by one what I did in this Trump Tower Makati one-bedroom condo unit. As if naman, diba, na may tao. Anyway, so as you enter, this is the, I guess, the foyer, diba? And then on your left side, this is the water heater. Okay, so as you enter the unit, I actually placed a shoe cabinet here. There's a round mirror on top of it, so it doubles as a console. Excuse my kalat over there. So this is a shoe cabinet, but shoe cabinets don't have to look too plain, so you can create something fun as well. And then when you enter, tada, you can see big windows, and to your right is the massive kitchen. Look at the light, and then all beautiful built-in cabinets. By the way, these are inclusive in Trump Tower condo, so I didn't have to build these kitchen cabinets. What I did here is this kitchen backsplash, which is super beautiful. It has a lot of sparkles. my client got shocked, but well, I told him it's beautiful. So he was like, okay, if you say so. So there, and then you can see here. I just wanna show you. This is the ref. Oh, diba? It's so seamless. I love it. So on top of the counter is this light fixture, which I got from Ambient Philippines. It's so pretty. Okay, so that's the kitchen. So as you can see, guys, it's afternoon sun on the left side. So as you enter the door, afternoon sun siya. So for me, I find it beautiful kasi mas gusto ko yung afternoon sun than morning sun actually. So this is the dining area. It's good for 6. And then across it is a buffet console. And then on top is this painting that I got from an exhibit. I think it was an art fair in Alabang, if I'm not mistaken. So there. And then this is the console. Look at the finish. So there's brushed gold metal. So I didn't use anything too like, ano ba, not too candy gold. It's not glossy. It's more matte in person. Okay, so this dining set, I got, of course, big chairs kasi it's spacious enough naman. And then on top of it, I put some accessories in gold. And then right on top is this light fixture, which is a starburst. And then across it is coffee table and chairs. So since this is an afternoon sun unit, they can have a breakfast here in the morning kasi the sun doesn't hit this side of the unit. Okay. It's really big. I mean, this is just a 1-bedroom unit, but like look at the space. You can have a party in here. Oh, I forgot to mention that right next to the kitchen is this powder room. So you have a powder room also for your guests. Now let's talk about the wallpaper. I really like this. So what I did, I gave him a lot of options. So when it comes to wallpaper, I let my clients choose because it's something that's, that's permanent, that they need to love. So of course, if they don't like it, I'll end up taking it out. So just to make sure that we're aligned, I always need to make sure that they approve the wallpaper. Now we move on to the living area. So this is right next to the dining area here. It has an L-shaped sofa with the same starburst chandelier, but in a smaller size. And then across it is this marble top coffee table with gold, with a gold base as well. And then an accent chair, which is, well, in person it's actually more gold. Parang yellow gold. It's really nice actually. And then of course an area rug, some throw pillows with lots of texture, and then a side table with a table lamp. So you'll notice that I injected some color in here. I have green, and then of course some flowers to liven up the space. So this is the living area. Across the sofa is this built-in TV console. So I don't know if you can see it, but this is a 65-inch TV. And then I had this whole floor, well, not really floor to ceiling, but up to the ceiling built-in console with LED lights on both sides. So I'll just show you. It has the same lines as the rest of the furniture, just to continue the design. Yeah. So just to move back because the light kasi is very harsh. So I hope I'm showing it properly with this phone. There. Now let's enter the bedroom. Ta-da! Now for the bedroom, I used more grays, parang blue-gray, and then silver or chrome finishes. So I'll show you one by one. For the wallpaper, I used this gray wallpaper, right, with some patterns in rectangles, and then this bed frame with a high headboard. It's actually in velvet. It's super soft. Right, it's so cute. And then for the side tables, it's black varnish with chrome handles for the drawers. So that's for both sides. And then for the pillows, the sheets, it's all gray, silver, white, and then this blue-gray color, which I really love. And then I follow the same blue-gray for the drapes. Oops, there. Yan. And then, do you notice this lamp? Diba ang ganda? It's like crystal. I really like this one. And then, just to add a little texture, this fur na fake lang naman to. Arte-arte lang. Wala lang. Bakit ba? And then right beside the bed is this work desk, which the client requested for because he works on his laptop. So this one is nice as well. I just got a work chair to go with it. And then drapes everywhere. For the bedroom, I installed some sheer drapes and then blackout drapes as well. So you still have some light coming in, but privacy for you also when you're dressing up. And then right across the bed is this TV console. Oops, that's not to. Urong ka muna, kuya. Okay. So, okay, so this TV console, there's a cabinet that I had built, and then you can see some lines as well, and then LED lights around it. So this one is a 50-inch TV, and then this TV console below, I had this custom made, this one. So ginaya lang talaga yung lines for this part na pina-build ko. So for this bedroom, a 50-inch TV is good enough because of the viewing distance. So you can put books here and then some more for inside this TV console. But it looks seamless kasi there's no door handles. Onto this side, of course, there's plenty of closets for their clothes and shoes, but on top, my favorite here is this light fixture in chrome finish. Very pretty for me. And then I'm gonna show you the bathroom. Oh my gosh, this is really nice. I didn't have to do anything here because it's beautiful as it is. So this is the shower, right? Water closet, the basin, and wait, there's more. A bathtub. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. So for a one-bedroom unit, this is like a super nice bathroom for me. Like I could live here. But I can't afford a Trump unit, ha? Okay, so that's the bathroom. So yeah, when you exit, this is the bedroom. So na-achieve ko ba yung pagka-hotel feel? I think naman, right? He was happy naman. So he's Japanese, by the way, so he told me it's gorgeous. He speaks English naman. Yay! Okay. So that's the bedroom. Pretty. Actually, I would have loved it if the bedroom is bigger, but since it has a big living area, I think it's good enough for me as long as there's enough closet space. So I want to show you the closet as well. This is inclusive. There's light inside. I love that. Oh, diba? May ilaw. That's very useful. So that's it. This is the bedroom. I'm gonna show you one more. Oh, and by the way, all the air cons here, it's actually centralized. So there's just this a remote control that they give, and then you just point it here for the bedroom, and there's another one in the living area, and then that's it. May aircon na siya, so centralized, o, diba? Social. Okay. So that's about it, guys. I hope you like this latest project of mine here in Trump Tower, Makati. And if you have some comments about where I got some of my custom-made furniture pieces, just comment down below or DM me and I'll share with you where I got these items from. And if you have some questions about colors, how to decorate, of course you can ask me anything. Follow me on Instagram at the Style Hobbyist, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so and give it a thumbs up if you like my project. So thank you, and I'll see you at the next one. Siguro my next project that will be for next year, because I don't think I'll accept anymore for this December because it's gonna be a crazy month. Also, I'm going out of the country with the family, and as you know, I'm preparing for the wedding in 2020. So, but if you're willing to wait and if your unit is for turnover pa naman, maybe Q2 of next year, I can still handle it. So I just need to make sure that I won't lose focus also on my corporate job. So I hope you understand, and I hope you still support me in this side hustle passion project of mine. So thank you so much. Bye!